K-series head stud install in 60 seconds. Clean block threads. Clean thread on all studs. Verify all threads by hand. After verifying, remove all threads, clean again, and apply ARP assembly lube. After applying the lube, reinsert back into the block in the same order you took out. Verify that the gasket surface is clean and install dowel pins. Clean and install head gasket. With the head gasket on, we can now install the head. Clean cylinder to block mating surface. With the head on, you'll have 10 washers and nuts to install. Following the sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you will torque 22, 55, and then 75 foot-pounds. And with that, your head studs and head are now installed.